Here we have a 2023 ATX 20 Type-S located here at SkipperBud's in Madison. This boat is in the gorgeous black and red color scheme here. You do have your wake tower with integrated bimini and speakers, as well as some swiveling board racks. You have pop-up cleats all the way around. Stainless steel cup holders. Nice swim platform on the back here. Sturdy grab handle for getting in and out. A couple areas on the transom if you want to hang out back here and have a seat. You have your wake plates on the bottom here. This boat is powered by TAPS 3T. So that is Taiga Adjustable Performance System. And the 3T stands for 3 tons of pressure. You have a little swim platform on the front here. You can see this boat has your pickle fork design versus your standard V. All right, that's it for the exterior. Let's jump on inside and take a look at the interior. All right, stepping into the ATX 20 Type-S. You'll see those transom seats again with additional cup holders. You also have a nice walkthrough on the transom here. Ample seating in the cockpit area here. The captain's chair with your flip-up bolster. Additional cup holders. Nice large subwoofer down there. You have your physical controls for the ballast system, as well as a touchscreen up top. Phone charging mount. Nice large rear view mirror. You have your bow seating area with additional cup holders and grab handles, as well as additional speakers. Glove box storage, as well as your battery switch. You can also find a nice large storage compartment underneath here, right now housing the cover. You'll notice a slot here. You can actually take the seat back and pop this right in. You have one both on the port as well as the starboard side. And those can be easily removed when not in use. Better look at your wakeboard tower here. And this entire bench piece here can be removed from that spot and positioned in the middle to actually be a rear-facing lounge seat as well. All right, that's it for the 2023 ATX 20 Type-S located here at SkipperBud's in Madison.